Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to create clean, clickable timestamps for your YouTube videos, whether you want to use ChatGPT or do it manually. Timestamps are a great way to help your viewers find exactly what they want in your video, which in turn helps your engagement. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you on the timestamps what they are, how they help your channel, and how to create them step by step. Let's get started. So we're in my channel dashboard and I'm under channel content. And first of all, let's look at what timestamps are. So these are timestamps, and this is from the view of the content creator. Now, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on the other end from the viewer's point of view. So I'm in my channel and I'm as a viewer. So I would go here to more and you'll see that it is in blue. And so what happens is your viewer, say that they are watching and they're like, man, I don't want to watch all of this. But you can say, hey, make sure, if you're getting to a certain point or there's something you specifically want to watch, check out the timestamp. And so they do. And instead of just exiting your video and go forget this, they can go through here and see what they actually want to watch. So maybe they want introducing timestamp feature. So they click here
about the timestamps,
and it'll go right to it.
I learned how to do this pretty recently. I knew I needed to be adding in.
So that is what timestamps are. And they help your channel because the people that are viewing, instead of just going, well, I don't want to watch all of this. I just want, to learn about this. Instead of just dropping off your video and finding another person's video that talks about that, they can actually just go right to that section and click on it and then stay on your video a little bit longer. Now, how to create them. So the first thing I want you to notice right now, do you see how it's all in blue? That's important. That's how you know that they do work. Now, let me go into now showing you how to create the timestamps, whether it's going to be through ChatGPT or manually. Okay, we're going to start with how to create it manually. When you create it, you're going to be creating it in your description. You have to start with 0.00. It won't start unless like that. And it has to be this format. You want to keep it very simplistic. If you get too wordy or too many weird symbols and stuff, it won't work. So start with 0.00. And then as you're listening to the video, when you get to the first one, whatever it might be, you go, oh, I want that to be this. And you put in the time and just put in the words. And then you go to the next one. Leave some spaces between your description and your hashtags, and then a little bit of room after once you have finished. And then honestly, that is it for manually. Then you just go ahead and click save. And YouTube takes care of the linking. So easy. Okay, so now we're in ChatGPT, and all I do is I say create a timestamp, and then I give it the information. So I give the time and what do I want the name or the title to be. And then it does it. It turns it in, and then I just copy, and then I paste into my YouTube description. I think the reason I like it, I just feel like, okay, everything's going to be formatted. I'm not going to have to worry about any of that formatting. So I think that's what I like. But as you can see, both of them are really simple to do. That is it. Now, I do want to show you because on one of my YouTube videos, I did mention that you want to be careful that if you go through ChatGPT, they say that you can actually give all the information. Like if you have a transcript of your video, that you can upload into ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT can actually put it together all for you. So I gave it a try specifically for this video, and this is what happened. So here it is. I put in my script for my video, all the information, and then it created the timestamps. But the problem that I've learned is that it doesn't understand, which makes sense. It doesn't understand how long your video is. And this is what happened with one of my YouTube videos where I was showing the blue and I was like, well, I wonder why this is all black here. Well, this is the reason why, because I don't have a video of 9 minutes and 55 seconds. So it didn't know that, and it kind of just guessed. All right, here we go. Let's put this in here. So you can put it in, but I guess you would still have to go and put in the time somehow, like maybe put it in your the time. So I personally found that that was just one extra unneeded step because you still have to go through it all. So I would say is that when you're creating your timestamps, to either just do it manually where you just go through your video, write it down on a piece of paper or something like that, like this time is this time is this, and then just put it in there. Or do what I do, which is just a little bit easier. You don't have to worry about the formatting. It automatically does it. Is go through ChatGPT and then just go ahead and put that information in there. Let it format for you. Copy, paste into YouTube description, click save. It's done. That's how easy it is. So hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did watch to the very end, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, bye.